you ever wondered how statistics and probability work in reality? Numbers can tell stories by transforming raw data into wonderful insights that can reveal different kinds of information. With the help of statistics, we can interpret these numbers and understand how we can make an impactful change for our world. Join us as we explore the various barriers to universal healthcare access, ensuring that everyone can benefit from quality healthcare. There are numerous results explaining why health is crucial, such as the growth in longevity allowing us to live a longer life, the prevention of diseases, the ability to live a productive life, and financial reasons due to the growing costs of medical bills remaining healthy. The need to worry about. Let's dive into the data and discover how we can build a more fair and healthy future for everybody. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the incredible narratives hidden within the data. Before we move forward, let's ensure everyone is clear on the rationale behind our approach. Accessing healthcare assistance is a fundamental need. However, it is not available for everyone. Some individuals often have difficulty accessing healthcare services because of barriers they encounter. We can learn more about the experiences of individuals who have trouble obtaining healthcare services by doing quantitative research. We will be able to comprehend all of the obstacles that are present. To provide context, let us define the problem at hand. This survey aims to identify the barriers that limit the access to primary healthcare services of the students in grade 11 STEM Our Lady of Sacred Heart. Through examining these barriers, the researchers seek to provide insights that inform the development of specific treatments to improve healthcare access and results for the students in grade 11 STEM Our Lady of Sacred Heart. Specifically, this survey aims to answer the following question. Do the students have enough background knowledge in terms of health access, limitations, and barriers? What challenges do the students face in accessing healthcare services in terms of transportation, cost, and physical location of healthcare facilities? Does the ability to avail healthcare services impact their personal health? Is there an impact on the limited access to healthcare services on the well-being of the students? Presenting the individuals who played a crucial role as respondents in our data collection process. The grade 11 STEM students of Our Lady of Sacred Heart, with 15 male students that make up 37.5% of the class and 25 female students that make up 62.5% of the class, for a total of 40 students, or 100%. Interpreting our data might seem complex, but it's as easy as slicing through a piece of cake. Shall we dive in and uncover the sweet insights together? The results of a questionnaire on barriers to access to primary healthcare services, conducted among grade 11 STEM students of Our Lady of Sacred Heart. The questionnaire utilized response scales ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree to assess various aspects related to healthcare access, awareness of limited access, and knowledge about healthcare. The result of the questions about the barriers to accessing healthcare services reveals transportation issues that make it hard for them to see a doctor. The mean of these issues is 3.23, which is considered agreeable in the qualitative description. The question on language barriers makes it difficult for them to communicate with a doctor. The mean of language barriers is 2.9, which is also described as agreeable in the qualitative description. The mean of the question about their physical location and whether they have encountered difficulties in accessing healthcare is 3.25, which is described as agreeable in the qualitative description. The question on how they have experienced difficulties understanding healthcare-related terminologies or instructions resulted in a mean of 3.05, which is also described as agreeable or written as A in the qualitative description. The mean of the question on how they are fully aware of their family's or personal health insurance coverage and access to healthcare services is 2.83, which is also described as agree in the qualitative description. The second part of the student's questionnaire about awareness of limited access discusses questions of their awareness regarding their accessibility. The first question on limited access to healthcare and contribute to increased stress and anxiety among individuals and families, resulting in a mean of 3.33, which was described as strongly agree or SA on the qualitative description. On the second question, limited healthcare access can lead to poorer health outcomes and increased health disparities. This resulted in a mean of 3.2, which is described as agreeable. On the third question, their health insurance coverage provides them access to necessary healthcare services without financial burden. It resulted in a mean of 2.63, which is also described as A or agree on the qualitative description. On the fourth question, the accessibility of healthcare facilities in their area ensures timely access to medical services when needed. It resulted in a mean of 2.68, which was again described as agree or on the qualitative description. On to the final question. Limited access to healthcare worsens health disparities, widening the gap between those who can afford it and those who cannot. It resulted in a mean of 3.3, which was described as strongly agreeable on the qualitative description. In the third part of the questionnaire on knowledge about healthcare, it asks about the knowledge that the respondents have regarding services offered, healthcare knowledge, and healthcare options. The result of the question is how they know the services offered by the healthcare system in their local area. It resulted in a mean of 2.9. which was described as agree on the qualitative description. On the second question, healthcare knowledge helps them make better decisions regarding their lifestyle, diet, and overall health, resulting in a mean of 3.25, which is described as agreed on the qualitative description. The question about having quality healthcare and knowledge can be advantageous, resulting in a mean of 3.28 and a qualitative description of strongly agreed or SA. The question on how knowing about healthcare options makes it possible for them to get medical help when they need it and to take care of any health issues right away resulted in a mean of 3.13, which is described as agreeable. On the question about healthcare knowledge, they can navigate the healthcare system more effectively, ensuring they receive proper treatment and services, resulting in a mean of 2.85, which is described as agree on the qualitative description. Phew! That was quite an eye-opener. Now, to conclude, the survey findings reflect a consensus among the majority of the 40 respondents regarding the challenges of accessing healthcare services. They identified transportation issues, language barriers, and geographical constraints as significant hurdles. Additionally, respondents expressed awareness of the adverse effects of limited healthcare access, such as increased stress and health disparities. Importantly, they also demonstrated a strong understanding of healthcare knowledge, recognizing its role in making informed decisions about lifestyle, accessing necessary healthcare services, and maintaining overall well-being. These results emphasize the necessity of addressing access barriers and promoting healthcare literacy for improved healthcare outcomes. Thank you for listening to this insightful journey through the world of statistics. Keep in mind that numbers, the world of statistics, and probability can tell stories that shape our understanding. So keep exploring and let the data guide you to new insights and solutions. See you next time.